Unit 8, Mixed Review, number 2. The perimeter of a rectangular sandbox is 250 inches. The width of the sandbox is 55 inches. What is the length of the sandbox in inches? So, we're talking about a rectangle, first of all, like the picture, and we know that the perimeter, when you add up all the sides, equals 250. And we also know that the width is 55. And always remember, with rectangles, there's 2 of each dimension, so 2 widths, 2 lengths. And so we're trying to find what is the length. And so think of 55 plus 55 plus question mark equals 250. And so I would start by adding those two 55s. 55 plus 55. 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So that's 110. And so the question becomes, what's left for these two sides, the two missing sides? And so the best way to figure that out is to subtract 250, the perimeter, minus the two sides we do know, the 110. So we got 0, 4, and 1. So that means these two sides together is 140. Don't make the mistake of saying that each one is 140, because that would be way too much. And so the two of them together is 140, which means we need to split that 140 into two equal groups. In other words, divide 140 divided by 2. 2 into 1 goes 0 times. 2 into 14 goes 7, which equals 14. 0 left over, and bring down a 0. 2 into 0 goes 0 times. That equals 0. And I get a 0 with nothing to bring down, so I am done. Looks like each of the missing sides is 70. And I can double check that by adding up all 4 sides again. So 55 plus 55 plus 70 plus 70. 5 plus 5 is 10. Then 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11, plus 7 is 18, plus 7 is 25. And so looks like my 70 works. Correct answer is D, 70 inches.